Now in tutorial 3 for bridge 2, it asks you to model the bridge in lower reach between the stations 2nd and 3rd. For this you need to go your geometric data editor, go to bridge again. You need to go lower reach here, options, add a new bridge, give it a name as 2.5. You can see your elevations now. In second bridge you can see we have a sloping abutment type. For sloping abutment we need to go bridge design editor here, and we can define our stations here easily. For high court, it says in the question it says here you need to define your high court, you need to define your low court, and you need to check this two button here for making an abutment. For opening width, you need to define the width in here, these two abutments. So you need to subtract your left abutment station from right abutment station, and it's here. Now we can define our width. And for side slope, as you can see, it's 1 to 2, one height, 2 vertical. So for one vertical we need to define it as a 0.5 height. Then press make deck. As you can see, we made our deck easily, but you need to define your distance and width from deck editor. The distance again is 3, it will give in question. For the width is 22 meters. As you can see, we didn't write our stations by hand. The HEC-RAS calculate our stations. You can choose whatever you want for making it by hand or compute it to the HEC-RAS. Then say OK. As you can see, we have a sloped abutment now. Just you need to go to for piers, you need to go to bridge design editor again, and in the question it says just 2 piers. The center line we have 2 pier. Now because we have a 2 pier, for the upstream, as you can see, for pier 1 the upstream station is 15 and downstream is 15.30. So for the first one I wrote 15 and 15.30. For pier line spacing, we need to define our spacing here. As you can see, for P1, that should be, I think, P1. For P1 it's 15 and P2 it's 25, so that makes 10 meter distance between pier 1 and pier 2. So go to bridge design and make it 10. Also the pier width is 1 meter. So press make piers. As you can see, we made our piers. We need to define our inflow, ineffective flow area. Go to Word, and where is our abutment stations? And for this one, let's define our ineffective flow area for high court. It was 26.4. Okay, we define our ineffective flow area for upstream cross section, also for downstream cross section. Let's say okay. Also for downstream cross section, we define our ineffective flow area. I think I made a mistake here, but you can change your station from here. Then you need to define your headwater maximum elevation. Again, 30 is okay for this one also. Then for bridge design, bridge modeling, we okay now. In the question, it says after bridge design,